video is about the resume maker. How do you, when you get to do your resumes, a lot of times, how many mistakes do you really make? How frustrated do you get to be able to get all the words and the right phrases to make it look professional and really like stand out amongst the crowd, that it is a more professional looking resume maker? Do you get frustrated on that? I know I've done it many a times myself, and I've tried to just use my notepad and type all the information in, and then when the time comes that someone else wants another resume, then you copy that, but then you've got to change all it and everything like that in the resume maker. What if I could show you a resume maker, and this is what the video is about, that is so powerful it does all the work for you? Would that interest you? Would you look at it for free? I'll give you a link down below that you can have a look at it through my actual site that I use for free, and I'm going to show you in this video exactly how it works. So I just want to show you how it actually works through the system, and I just told you that I'm going to show the design of the actual resume, and I'm just going to preview it so you can actually see it. So here it is here. This is the actual page that I made up, and if you're interested in it, I'm going to put down 2 links, okay? I'm going to put down the button here, and this is what I'm going to show you how it goes, right? Where it's going to take you directly to the platform that you can actually use. So we're going to click on here, and it's going to take that. I've already done my actual, you'll have a look here, work history summary, and these are the actual information I've actually put out, that it's all ready to be done. Okay, so what I want to gonna do is just add another position for the moment. So I'm just going to say, what did I do the last time? Let me see, just see. I put vehicle transporter. I put security officer. What could I say that I put? Let's just do something just out of the ordinary. We would say customer service. So customer service associate, okay, or customer care representative, or whatever it is here. You can see customer service representative. Okay, so just put, like, at the moment this is just showing you as a demo, so I'm going to just put anything in there. Okay, start date, we'll just say it was in January of let me see, let me just change that, and we'll make it, let's just say, for the sake of it, January 15, and I currently work here, okay, or you ended the date here, right? So you hit next, and you'll see it actually is generating a personally content for you. It tells you exactly what you would want to put. So instead of you thinking of what you want to say, it's already got it there, and it's going to present it in a professional way for you to use it. So it's told you provided customer, and this is what it's telling you, the recommendations, that you can use. Or you can say, no thanks, you don't want to do it, you want to find something else and put it your own in. But honestly, this is the easy way of doing it. You can create this template within 10 minutes. So if you add recommendations, and you can see that the keyword, you can put any keyword up here and it'll come up and respond in this actual list. So you can just click on these and add them into your actual information on your resume. So develop community reputation, bang, there it is, and it's all got the bullets, everything ready to go for you. It's all doing this all for you, okay? Answer customer telephone calls promptly, field customer questions, and it's doing it again all for you for nothing, okay? So it's just showing this is what it did for this one here, that I did this and I did this. And there's other things involved here as well, but in order for that to happen, we'd have to go through the whole thing and start all over again. So I'll give you an idea of what it actually looks like if we go back to the website, which I have put down already. No, I just got to find it again. Okay. So what I did when the website, and I actually did my own resume, and I actually use this because I think it's great. And not only could you use this, you could make it for your friends and actually charge people to build resumes, okay, with this software. It's so powerful. So if you have a look here, you're going to see all the information in regards to my skills as in marketing management, and that's a summary of my professional summary, but all the work history, internet marketer, and all the information in bullets is all down here as well. My security officer information that I had before I also was doing security and doing marketing still at that time until I eventually resigned from that. And I have my own transport business now and my online business as well, which keeps me supported. Okay, so it puts all the information in, and I'm not scared to put my real name in there and my phone number if you really want to text me or something. There's my link for my actual site. I have a site called greenerdays.com. That is very interesting to look at. All right, so this is what it's just showing. And what I'm going to do is actually get this video that I'm making right now, and I'm going to put it under here. So now we've got a full capture page for people to go to, okay? So what I want you to do is go to this page, try it for free, see what it is, come back, comment, say you like it, you don't think it's going to be worth it, but you can honestly, and I'm not going to push you to do it. Again, the bells and whistles, if you get into it, you get all the updates of the version, you get everything like that, but you could do it free, okay? And this is why I always show it in my videos, that you can do things for free. I'm not really trying to push to get commissions all the time. If you want to do it for me and bless me and help me out, that's great, because what I do is I actually use my money to pay out my members on my website anyway. I don't really get much out of it. I get 25%, and I give them 75%. I don't really care about it. All right. So anyway, with that said, you'll see that you can create a wonderful resume that looks very professional. And guess what? If you don't want to go through the whole thing, you can print it out. And you've got yourself a page, a website page. All right. Now, it only allows you to do one page, just so you know. All right. You can put more information in. As it goes on, it'll give you 1 or 2 pages or something like that. And if you want to download it, it'll tell you to go to your email address and then download it there, and then you pay for it, all right? But the trick is, do a screenshot of it, and you don't pay anything for it, all right? If you like that idea, comment, subscribe to me for that reason, that I'm telling you that. I'm not pushing you into buying this offer. I'm not pushing you into it. Would I like you to do it? Obviously, that's my business, an affiliate marketer. If you feel like it's going to justify it and you're going to be able to use it all the time without any problems, you'll be able to continue to use so many different ones that you can do, because you can only do someone, then you've got to remove it and then start a new one up again, you know. So you can only use it at certain times, and that's why I couldn't get back to it and all, because I hadn't actually joined it, but I put one resume in there, all right? But if you want to actually continue doing other resumes, then you have to join the actual offer, all right? So with that said, that's it, guys, all right? So I'm promoting this one. Again, down below is going to be 2 links. One link is going to be for SamSCART, which is the actual, have a look at this fantastic landing page that they give you, and it's just a cut and paste, and I'll just quickly show you how I made it, which is my design. It puts everything in the information here that I can put in: headline, text, divider, bullets, icons, you name it, whatever it is, that creates these great capture pages or landing pages. You can actually get your own product yourself and sell it through your PayPal account, which is down here, or has PayPal information. It has all the settings that's available for your type of checkout form. It has all the different MasterCard, Visa, Discover, American Express that you can use to put in this, which is all security held through the SamSCART, right now I'm bypassing that, okay? What happens is you directly go to the actual main site and pay for it there. You don't pay it through me because I'm not directly affiliated with getting the money up front, okay? You're going to go to that site and pay them. So I'm just giving you a portal to go through, to look at and use. That's a simple thing. That's all you do. So you can do affiliate marketing products on this and do it the way I'm doing it and bypass the PayPal. They don't have to have a PayPal account. As long as you have a PayPal account to go into the processor and the integration of actual SAMCART, then once they click onto the site and put their information in here, it'll take them to the main site and you will get the name and address here. And I may ask you if you could go on my mailing list. Okay? So with that said, Happy New Year to you guys. Stay safe out there, okay? And I will see you